Hello guys, welcome my another video. Today I'm going to share delete animated effect multiple record using PHP Ajax. That is very interesting table. Firstly, I am saying that if you like to make this table, you can download 100% free for making this table, all kinds of codes, 100% free from my website link. Just see my video description. That's very interesting. So now I am just say how this table is working. Like you can add any kinds of information in this table at a time, and also you can delete any kinds of information from here, no problem. So how you will add, I will see that after a few times. Now I am saying just how you will delete any kinds of name, like a first name I like to delete, or another name, Gilamaun. I just two I like to delete now. Also you can select any kinds of all, no problem, but I like to delete only two names. Okay, just select and then press delete icon. After a few times it will be deleted, all deleted guys. So when you see my video description, then you can see download source code link. If you click here, then see this interface. That is my website interface. Just scroll down, then see index. Okay, for making this table, index is very important things. The index, you can copy all kinds of code from here specifically, no problem. Also scroll down, that is the database connection, and no problem. Just scroll down, then see download source code. If you click here, then all kinds of code you can download as a zip file. That is very interesting. And also you can scroll up, then see demo list. If you click here, then see there are many kinds of demo. There are a lot of demo in here. You can choose anyone, or you can see view details from here, also view demo from here, no problem. Like now I am going this one. If you click view demo, then there is a view demo. That is very interesting. So guys, now I am going to make this table. No more talk, let's go. Everybody know, if you like to make this table, must be you have to go your C drive, then click gem, then htdocs, docs, then what's table. Now I am making table 27. Okay, just a double click. That is database, database connection, delete, index, and that is genuine database. Okay, now I am open all. Guys, main fact is the database, because if you can change your database name and also your table name, you can connect with index, delete, with this database you can connect. But why? Because let's see database name. What is the database name? You can see code hunter underscore demo. Okay, and now must be you have to find what is the table name. Table 27. And also table 27 is, there are a lot of places. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 places in table 27. Must be you have to change this table 27, because just see database name code hunter demo. Okay, and table name 27. Now I am going my localhost PHP admin. That is the localhost PHP admin. That is that folder name code hunter demo. Now I'm click here, then table 27 is here. That's table 27. You can see that's name. There are many kinds of name in here, and this name is showing my table. Okay, and now I am saying how you will add another name in your table, or another student information in your table. Okay, just click here, then copy any kinds of names. Self first name Imran Hussain, just copy, then see id name. Now I am type id name, what's number, okay, 50. Then change another name. What's name you can you like to change, like I love you. Then details, address, park. Okay, gender female, class 12, age 17. That's it. Then press go. Now you will go your table. You can find this name, because must be we have to click reload. Then you can see name, first name I love you, student address park, gender female, class 12, age 17. That's very interesting. Now I am telling how you will change this table title. That's very interesting. Self go your index, then that is the table title name. That's one table title. So how you will change this, I like to change delete Ajax animated effect. Self I am delete Ajax. Okay, delete animated effect multiple records. Self place file, then press save. Done. Go your table, then you can see delete Ajax animated effect. After a few times Ajax will be vanish. Okay, self press reload, then you can see Ajax already vanished. Guys, no hesitate to comment in my comment box. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And also, if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe my channel. So guys, thank you very much.